The telemetry confirms the offside line at 42.3 meters. Decision stands.
Welcome to the Product Lab, where we take you inside the amazing world of how things are made. Stick around until the very end because you won't want to miss a single second.
As you can see, the 2026 tournament ball requires zero-tolerance assembly. The robotic arms here place each panel with sub-micron precision. Welcome to the manufacturing lab. As you can see, the 2026 tournament ball requires absolute zero-tolerance assembly, achieved through these synchronized robotic networks.
The life cycle of this tech-heavy soccer ball begins thousands of miles away with the manual harvest of natural rubber reserves in Southeast Asia.
Heavy steel plates compress large blocks of rocks of raw moisture. Squirrel is moisture. Crossing oceans and continents, these raw elements journey far to reach the factory loading bays. Transporting the raw elements across oceans safely to the factory loading bays. Rubber molecules are cooking at high heat to create a completely hollow inner bladder for the manufacturing lab. This component acts as the primary airtight air vessel that maintains a consistent internal pressure during elite stadium matches. This component acts as the primary airtight air vessel that maintains a consistent internal pressure during elite stadium matches. The process now transforms from heavy machinery to microscopic tech assembly. This smart tracking core operates at an incredible frequency of 500 Hz. This suspension web ensures the chip floats perfectly inside the center of the ball.
This compression step is crucial as it protects the sensitive microcircuit from external forces during installation.
These counterweights equalize the weight of the chip. These premium sheets provide the ball's signature durability.
The 2026 Trionda design uses just 4 large panels to maximize pitch aerodynamics. As the sorting matrix completes the separation phase, The focus transitions toward the high-end graphic printing bays managed by the manufacturing lab. This high-definition color injection forms the official match aesthetics, embedding the vibrant red directly into the panel's grain. These fluid graphics, rendered in Olympic blue and Canada green over the existing red, honor the 3 host nations of the 2026 World Cup. This advanced UV curing stage ensures the graphics will never scratch or fade during wet tournament matches. These grooves optimize goalkeeper grip. This soft foam provides the ball's responsive touch for elite players. This specialized compound completely eliminates the need for traditional nylon stitching. The bladder cores and outer panels are now ready to be unified. The internal sensor chip must sit exactly at the geometric center axis of this steel nest. This intricate assembly demonstrates the precision of the automated folding mechanism, ensuring a perfect zero-gap alignment around the inner bladder. 200 tons of force are now applied. As the thermal coils activate, the nitrogen adhesive melts. High-pressure steam expands the bladder, forcing the polyurethane Revealed at last, the seamless Adidas Trionda match ball is officially born. The soft silicone pads ensure a scratch-free transfer. The component is now moving along the cooling track, ready for the initial quality control scan.
The validation phase is about to begin. This is the quality vault. Here at the product lab, we utilize advanced automated testing to validate product durability. The seamless adhesive layers must survive this. This maps the spherical geometry to ensure a roundness deviation of under 0.1 millimeters. This test forces moisture into any potential microscopic structural seam leaks. This confirms a 100% waterproof seal. This tests the long-term abrasion resistance of the micro-textured skin. The internal technology core is now being powered up. The activation sequence is complete.
The internal chip is now communicating.
This live telemetry stream verifies that the internal chip battery health and communication response times match peak tournament parameters. This verifies the millimeter-level position mapping, ensuring a perfect three-dimensional digital duplicate. The ball has officially passed inspection. Scanning the internal chip ID. The data ledger is syncing with the global FIFA tournament register. Verification complete. The premium packaging engine is complete.
unique ball is treated like a piece of high-end jewelry by the product lab. These magnetic boxes ensure the ball remains protected during transit. The pallets are constructed with machine efficiency. This plant runs 24 hours a day under the direction of the product lab. With the final pallet secured, the shipment is now ready to begin its transatlantic journey. The balls have safely entered the United States. The fleet is route mapped to the stadium venues.
We are now entering the secure match vaults, where the history of the stadium is stored.
Following the drop-off step, the access code authorizes entry into the secure match vaults.
The crew is verifying the asset for the product lab records.
The walk from the tunnel, the Trionda ball held aloft as the roar of this historic stadium absolutely erupts.
And here they are, stepping onto the hallowed turf of this magnificent stadium. The atmosphere is electric.
This masterpiece of engineering is ready to define football history.
This masterpiece of engineering is ready to define football history. The Sialkot engineered smart ball is officially broadcasting live tracking data to 1 billion viewers. The Sialkot engineered smart ball is officially broadcasting live tracking data to 1 billion viewers.
We have the precise moment of the pass via the chip data. The red vector line shows the exact position. The chip has successfully resolved the call. Goal confirmed.
This high-tech asset is officially retired into international sports history. This masterpiece was forged under the watchful eyes of the product lab.
Educational content generated entirely using AI tools, scripting, voice design, and animations are original AI creations powered by Google AI Studio and VO3. No copyright content or footage has been used, designed for informative purposes only. All videos are AI simulated and not intended to represent real footage.